This is room 7197, interior stateroom on Carnival Pride. Right when you walk in, you have a very nice bed. We did split this apart, but this can be one bed. This room does fit 2 people. You have a very nice bathroom right here, a lamp, and some more storage right here. You have some more space right here to put like clothes and socks and blah, blah, blah. You have a mini fridge, a pull-out chair if you want to do some makeup right here. You have some storage like we did here, and we put all of our towel animals. You have your TV that shoots straight where the beds are, so that's very cool. You have some not complimentary waters. You have some more space right here. 3 closets right here, which is a lot of space. And then you have your very nice bathroom, toilet, and shower. So yeah, guys, this is room 7197 on Carnival Pride, interior room, and hope you guys liked it. See you.